what's going on? It's Trey Murphy, the digital entrepreneur, and man, I had to get out the house and get some steps in, man, because this quarantine's got me all locked up. Don't worry, I've got my mask, and as you can see, I am properly socially distancing. But I just wanted to talk about, what you may have to do in order to get a better understanding of how to use ClickFunnels and how to understand sales funnels in general. And as I'm walking, I'm sitting here thinking about it. I'm like, well, how can I be real with people without sounding salesy? And regarding this software, it's kind of tough because there's a lot to it, man. And when you look at it, especially if this is your first time dealing with sales funnels, when you look at ClickFunnels, it could kind of look like the cockpit of the space shuttle. There's just knobs and buttons and stuff all over the place. So I'm going to try and tell you the best advice when it comes to learning everything you can without selling salesy. So let me go ahead and put down the disclosure. There will be affiliate links with this because there's the free, easy way to get this information, and then there's the easy way to get this information. And that is the 3 books that Russell came up with, man. The very first one, .com Secrets. It is without a doubt the best instruction guide on explaining what a sales funnel is, what it does, what it can do for your business, how to build it, and how to tailor it to your specific needs. It's not gonna get any clearer than that. I mean, you can watch all of the YouTube videos in the world, but you're only going to get a small idea of the grand idea of what sales funnels can do. And when you finish that one, the second book that you're going to have to get is going to be Expert Secrets. Now, Expert Secrets, you've already built the machine if you've read .com Secrets, and if you do have ClickFunnels or any other sales funnel building software. But you're going to need to know how to position yourself to sell. It's pretty much what it is. It's figuring out a way to connect with your customer so that they can trust you and keep coming back for more and keep buying more and more products. It's essential as well because you can build this amazing Ferrari-like sales funnel, but if you don't know how to talk to the right people in order them to go into your sales funnel and experience your sales funnel, then, what's the point, right? And then the final one, and to me, which was very good, is Traffic Secrets. Now, Traffic Secrets takes on a little bit of a different approach because instead of teaching you exactly how to manipulate certain forms of traffic, it goes about teaching you the basic principles behind traffic and using some of the more popular platforms that's available right now. So if you're looking for something that's going to show you specifically how to make a Facebook ad or a Google search ad or a YouTube ad or any of those other stuff, this doesn't do that, but it is going to tell you why you should be taking these certain steps and the importance of using certain platforms and how to properly use those platforms. So those 3 books are pretty much the basic fundamental starting blocks to get your sales funnels up and running. So it's going to be .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Traffic Secrets. I know what you're thinking, man. You're selling me. You want me to go click a link. And that's not necessarily the case. I'm not going to lie, man. The very first time I got .com Secrets, I was lucky. I found it at the library. And I read it there. Then I put it down because I didn't read it all the way through. I had other stuff going on in my life. But the problem I ran into is when I turned it back into the library, I couldn't get it again. I'm sure somewhere by you, there's a public library that you can hit up, and they probably even have a website. I would strongly recommend using a library before clicking an affiliate link down in the description below. I would. Another one is to go to Barnes & Noble and buy it, but it's pretty expensive. It's going to be $25 or $30. And then there's other, sorry about the traffic, sorry about that. And then there's, there's other ways you can search the internet and maybe find a copy of it somewhere that way. But the best and safest way in order to find the books is to just play the free plus shipping. And it's $8, $8, $9. I don't know how much it is, but it's really cheap. And you'll get a full copy. You don't have to share it. You don't have to worry about going to the library. It's your choice. If the library has it, use it. If you just can't do it, you just can't do it. But the affiliate link is down below. And I wanted to talk about 2 more bonus books that you could get and should maybe check out. One of them is called Copywriting Secrets. It's another one of those free plus shipping one. I haven't been able to find that one at the library just yet, but when it comes to copywriting, which is tough because it is without a doubt like the bane of my existence, I hate copywriting. And I realized that I hated copywriting mostly because I just didn't really understand the principles behind it. I'm still not a super fan of copywriting, but I'm decent enough to know what works and know what doesn't work. And if I practice enough, I will get better at it, but it is very good. I want to keep full transparency with you. Full transparency. Copywriting Secrets is going to be a big plug to get you to buy some software. The software is dope and the software does work, but you don't need it. You don't have to buy it, especially if you're confident in yourself that you can create your own copywriting material. But that option is there as well. The other kind of like big secret regarding picking up your speed. The other big secret regarding picking up your speed is another one called the Funnel Hacker's Cookbook. It's pretty much a bunch of blueprints regarding creating sales funnels. That's another one that you can find in the library as well. It's a little bit tougher to find as well. The 2 easiest books to find in the library is without a doubt DOTCOM Secrets is going to be a lot easier to find. That's probably going to be the most easiest one to find. All the rest of the books might be a little bit more challenging, but this Funnel Hacker's Cookbook is really good because once you understand the basic principles of how to create a sales funnel and how it works, it gives you the quick blueprints that's based on the software itself, ClickFunnels, to just bang them out like really, really, really quickly. And the final bonus book that I would recommend is, I think it's called it's either like 125 ways or 123 split tests. I'll see if there's a link that I can leave at the bottom. I don't even think this book is in publication anymore, and the only way you may be able to find it is at the library. I was fortunate enough to get a copy of it. It's like an old used copy. But once you really start mastering how to create sales funnels, you'll get a better idea of what you should be split testing. And as you read in DOTCOM Secrets and all these other books, you should be constantly split testing your sales funnels and stuff. So I think that's, what was that? 6 books? Yeah, 3 must-haves and 3 bonuses. And that should give you all of the information you need. And then, of course, if you're just not a reader and you need somebody to really show you the best hands down way to understand ClickFunnels and all of this in all one big fail swoop is to take the One Funnel Away challenge. I have it works. It's good. It's like $100. If you ain't got the money, you ain't got the money. Get the books. If you can't get the books, go to the library, man. You can do this. It can be done. Stop thinking of excuses. You can get it for free, or you can just pay shipping. Either way, go get the money. There's tons of information out there. Don't always rely on somebody on YouTube to show you their specific way when you can get it from the source. You can get it from Russell himself. All right, that's about it for this one. I'm about to go put my mask on. Be safe out there, everybody. I'll holler at you. The Digital Hustler. Peace out. Oh, yeah, before I go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace.